Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips.
I'm Chase Hassey. We're going to talk about the very first split chain Model 40 that we've made here at Newton Crouch. So this spreader is custom for several different reasons. Due to limited tractor flow from one of the customer's tractors, he only has 16 gallons. So we had to run the whole spreader in series. So we basically just have a 3-hose system here. So it's only going to require 2 remotes. One remote will be doing all the work. The other remote will be a dump back for the case drain line on the heavy duty spinner motors. When it leaves the tractor, we're going to have a 30-gallon a minute PWM valve here. When it leaves the PWM valve, we got a 50-50 splitter. And then it comes in to a 15-gallon a minute PWM valve on each side to run each drive motor for the bed chains. We got this is your other PWM valve on the passenger side. After we come out of the 30-gallon PWM valve in the splitter, this is going to run your passenger side bed chain. Hoses go down and come back. Moving up towards the front here, this is our take-up bearings. And so you can see we got a bolt in here to space it off of this one, and then it's just like our normal spreader. Crack your nut off on the inside and then run it forward with a wrench. This connection right here is your IB/IC connection. So if you're running a 2630 or something on your tractor already, or a Trimble system, and you have this 9-pin connection on your tractor already, this spreader would plug right up and start doing variable rate. These two right here are 360 encoders, and all they're doing, we have to have 2 of them because we're counting 2 bed chains, and they're basically counting revolutions of the rear roller to know how much to put out at a certain speed. This is your flow control valve. And this is where you're going to set your spinner speed. You loosen up this nut on the outside, and then you can move it back and forth right here to get to the desired speed. We recommend about 750 to 80-foot spread pattern. This is a Raven rate control module, and we built this 304 stainless steel box to go around it. They are weather resistant, waterproof, and all that, but you can't pressure wash them. So we like to put this box on there just to protect them from the elements, fertilizer, and all that, and hide all of our wires back in behind there. We put a Lexan window on there because there's 4 lights right up here in this top right hand corner. They're kind of like status lights that'll let you know if something's going wrong with either this box or a connection in line. Helps with diagnosing that. So from back here you can see we got a superior 6-to-1 gearbox on each side with a RE10 drive motor to turn the 2 12-inch bed chains. So right here we got our extended range dishes and blades set up. You can see it's 4 9-inch blades on the 24-inch dish, and you can see how much ground clearance this is. I'm 6'2", almost 6'3", and this is well over my hip right here, so it's about 42, 43 inches off the ground. Everything on the rear end stainless with the exception of the drive motors. Stainless bearing here, and then underneath it here, you probably can't see in the videos, a coupler that's also stainless that prevents the chute from rusting up. The fan RPM sensor, so this little sensor right here reports to the screen in the tractor, and it's reading with a magnet. This is the only 409 stainless steel on our entire spreader. This magnet is reading off of this star, so every time it goes past here, it counts. And there's 12 teeth on the star, and so every time it counts to 12, it says that's 1, and that's how it knows how many RPMs your spinners are going. So this has 2 12-inch bed chains in it instead of 1 24, and what that is going to allow this customer to do is section control. He'll have 2 40-foot sections. If he drives into an area that's already been applied, it'll cut off the left bed chain and then cut off the right bed chain, whichever he needs, but it knows and will only turn on the bed chain that he needs to have spreading at the right time.
Technical assistance is available online 24/7 on our YouTube channel or our website, newtoncrouch.com. You can call us at 800-241-1350 Monday to Friday and speak with a real person. No recorded messages. Our knowledgeable staff will be glad to assist you. Proudly made in America, a family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.